Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Masikibe if you're new here, and this is my niece Yvonne. Say hi.
Hi.
And we're going to be baking a blueberry cake, so join us as we do that. Now, if this is the kind of content that you enjoy, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoy this video, give it a like and share this content with someone else who might need it, and talk to me in the comment section. All right, this recipe is so simple, guys. I'm sure you're going to love it, so stick around. I won't be talking much, but enjoy.
Something about you supernatural. I get goosebumps every time you call. Got me running through my fantasies. 40 West, I'm doing 93. Tell me where the sparks come from. Don't know, did we both bring some? Doing something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Voodoo, make me move however you want to. Make the night last till the sunshine through. You're just like magic. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm just trying to figure out. It's magic. Superstitious with a blind of faith. When we disappear and levitate. Now I know where the sparks come from. One touch, I was so far gone. Still something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Voodoo, make me move however you want to. Make the night last till the sunshine through. You're just like magic. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm just trying to figure out. It's magic. I'm just trying to figure out what happened. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Voodoo, make me move however you want to. Make the night last till the sunshine through. You're just like magic. Figure out what I'm just trying to figure out. I'm just trying to figure out. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm just trying to figure out what I'm just trying to figure out what happened. Brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives and needed saving. So I got all these layers stacking up like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be seen in metrics. More than meets the eye or meets imagination. Yeah. Cause I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. From the go, I was on my own. Had to find a home up in myself. Plant a seed and grow where I stood, cause I ain't have a shelf. And it's hard to understand when you don't know my roots. Yeah, it's hard to understand when you don't know the truth. Cause we all got some shit that we don't like to mention. And the things that keep me up, they made me who I am, yeah. So I can never sit back, say that I regret it. Every ounce the pain I felt became a lesson. More than just a woman, I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. Whoa, 'cause I'm more than any judgment. I'm more than who I was, yeah. I got all these dimensions. Whoa.
So if you're wondering what is going on with my blueberries, why do they look like that? So I coated them lightly in some all-purpose flour. The reason behind that is so that you do not, the blueberries don't sink all of them to the bottom. So you want them to be evenly distributed into the batter. So the trick is you coat them in a small coating of flour. That way when you combine them in the batter, they don't all sink.
You say I'm it, and all your actions match with your words. I say I'm in, but so much fire can lead to burns. I got some questions for you, babe. I'm not trying to press you. I wanna know what you would say. I'm not trying to test you, but would you go looking for my love, my love, my love? Would you go searching for my love, my love, my love? If it wasn't right in front of your face, if I took it to another place, if it was out of your reach, would you go looking for my love, my love, my love? Would you go?
For the sugar syrup, you need 1 teaspoon sugar and some hot water. Make sure that the sugar is all melted and then the solution is cooled before you apply it on the cake. And for the blueberry reduction, you need 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water, and then you mix it up into a square with the blueberries, bring it to a boil, then mash the blueberries.
I'm not trying to press you. I wanna know what you would say. I'm not trying to test you, but would you go looking for my love, my love, my love? Would you go searching for my love, my love, my love? If it wasn't right in front of your face, if I took it to another place, if it was out of your reach, would you go looking for my love, my love, my love? Oh, would you go? Would you go looking for my love, my love, my love? Would you go searching for my love, my love, my love? If it wasn't right in front of your face, if I took you to another place, if it was out of your reach,